Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a countertop. It should be pretty straightforward. Brand new countertop. It's outside. Once I get there, I'll give you guys more detail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so let's go and get started with this video. Alright guys, sorry to talk to the customer. So this is the countertop here. He was looking for something like polish. I guess the contractors that made this, they told him that this was a polished countertop, but it's not. It's a smooth finish, but it's not polished. He don't want to see the aggregate, so I'm gonna start with something very light. I'm gonna do a little demo here. So I'm gonna start with either like a 100 polishing pad or 200. You might want to start from that point. I'm going to show you because you have two different gloss. From here you can see left is a little shinier than this part right here.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. But you can see there. Yeah.
I like this.
You like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's really good.
Okay. I'll give you this. Okay.
So then that doesn't need to be sealed or anything?
No. Well, I sealed it already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, I sealed. Yeah.
Okay, so like if we spill...
Yeah, once we polish it, yeah, I have to seal it because if you spill something, it's going to stain it.
Okay.
Correct. So I have to.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks great.
Okay.
That's exactly what I want.
All right.
I'm going to have my wife... I'm going to have my wife look at it.
Oh, no worries. Yeah. Just can take a look.
So if you look at it, one side's a little shinier than the other. So which do you like?
Yeah, I can point it from there if you stand up. It's better if you stand far away.
Okay.
Like from this line, here is less gloss. I don't know if you can tell the difference.
I like the glossy.
Okay. Yeah, I like that too. God, that looks so much better.
Oh.
Wow, now I see what you were talking about.
Yeah, like they told me this was polished.
Yeah.
This is not polished. He said it's smooth finish.
See, honey, that's what I have no tolerance when they lie to us. Oh my God, and that's what it's
like
gonna look like all the time?
He puts the seal in. He's sanding it and then he puts a seal.
Oh my gosh, Barry, that changes it drastically.
But I like how it still has the character.
Yeah, yeah.
He could grind it all the way down to where you see the rocks, but I don't want that.
No.
Everything the countertop is going to be done with the 7-inch. The small one I normally use it for like small areas or something like this. They're vertical. Just taking a little break, guys. This is the last part that I have to do with the 200 grit. I'm taking my time because normally the 200 is barely taking some of the cream from the concrete. Different things. Like a mosquito. Oh shit. I'm about to start putting the densifier. This is the densifier I'm going to be using. The densifier got dry pretty quick because of the sun. Just gonna give you a couple more minutes, like especially here. It still needs to get dry a little more. All the way back there, but here's already dry. I'm gonna continue with the 400. One thing I want to mention, guys, once I seal and everything, pretty much the way you see it is gonna look but shiner, you know, like these lighter spots especially when I put a sealer, they're gonna come out more. You know, if you don't want to see any of this, what I'm talking about here, the white stuff, the concrete needs to be open so you don't see any of that. Just finished with the 800 right now. I'm about to start cleaning, seal, and one more steps, actually 2 more steps, seal and buff. You can see the reflection from the palms or trees.